2 days ago, we left Tennessee and we started our drive here. And we got into the dorms, gotten over that nervousness, and met the RA, met some people that might be on the cross-country team with her.
I really like that they've been very caring and they've helped me with the process, super easy. They've helped me with trying to figure out where I need to go and what I need to do to get ready for this day. And I value that a lot also.
We're super excited that she will be able to continue her education in a loving Christian environment. When I can't wrap my arms around her, I know somebody here will encourage her and walk with her every step of the way.
I picked Bethany because I want to stay with other people that share the same faith as me, but I really like that it has lots of different majors and minors that I can choose from, because I want to do speech therapy. It just gave me like a very clear route to get to that in the future.
She's got a brother and a sister who've had hearing aids. Bethany not only provides the Christian atmosphere, but also the opportunity to pursue something that she wants to have a career in.
For me, when it's all said and done, I really want to walk out of here with another great group of friends that I have for life, and with an education that I'll also have for life, and a job that I can go straight into. I also want to continue sports with cross country and track and get even better at running.
In our world today, with so many distractions and so many problems and so many things going on, I know that she's going to be taught Christian values, and those are important for us as a family. We want to continue to make sure that not only our kids know and love God, but our grandkids will someday know and love God.
Yeah, it'll be hard to say bye. It always is, but I just enjoy going home that much more when I get to see family.
I trust God that she's going to be in a great place and that she is going to blossom. Soon I'm going to have to leave her here, and that might be the hardest part, but I know she's in good hands.
Bethany Lutheran College.